All right, good morning, guys. I just wanted to play that to get you pumped up to build your glider today. So let's get rid of this photo and let's jump right into the glider design website. So I'm going to go into my engineering. Excuse me. And I'm going to show my fuselage, wing, horizontal stabilizer, vertical stabilizer. Okay. Then I want to turn on my optimization chart. All right. So I'm not going to mess with mine today because I've already showed you how to do that last week. Today is basically going to be a tutorial on how to enter the glider into a competition so that you can test it against the other students who have created their glider. So, all right. So let's assume that you're done with your glider. So I know Taylor Payne has emailed me and said she's done. Tristan Dunlap is done. So how they're going to test their glider against other students is they're going to go to File here in the orange, click File. You're going to save, and you're going to give it your name. So I'll just give mine Matthew Crow. And then it's important to click Save and Enter Competition. Save and Enter Competition. Okay, so now it's saved. All right. So now I come up back to this ribbon and I click Competition. And here we go. There are, if you click on out of spec or any of these where you see a number, gliders will pop up. Here, I already see a problem here. Somebody, oh, never mind, there's their name. So Keegan, let's take Keegan's, make him contender 1, and we'll make Sam contender 2. And now this is really cool. Watch this. Two really good gliders. Let's see who stays airborne the longest. Very good job, both of you. Ooh, gonna be close. So your results come up here, and you go down and look at that 8/100th of a second difference. Keegan barely takes care of Sam. Well done, Keegan. Good job, Sam. All right, so after that, you click Reset Simulation, and then you can go back and you can do it. You can test your glider against another student. So that's how that works. Okay. Your assignment for this part of this week's lesson is to ensure, one, that you've got your glider over 6 seconds of flight time, and two, test it against 5 other students. So you can kind of see where you're at. Tristan Dunlap, by the way, has been bragging that he has beaten everybody. So my personal challenge for somebody is to beat Tristan Dunlap. Email me when that happens. Okay, so that's the first part of the lesson. The second part is much simpler. It is a simple little diagram here. Starting next week, after we finish up our glider design, we are going to start talking about the parts of airplanes and how they control the flight. So it's very simple. Diagram with letters, you fill in the letters. Okay, you can research it however you want. It's totally up to you. And then on the back, there are some questions that you will also need to research the answers to. Okay? All right. The learning target for all of this looks like the following. Learning target for this week is the same as last week. I can determine the factors that allow for maximum flightability in a glider. Success criteria, students will virtually design a glider that can remain airborne for 6 or more seconds. The video link you're watching now will walk you through the process to help set up the competition tool, and some vocabulary that you'll find on that diagram with the questions are highlighted in blue here. So, as always, email me if you have any questions. Please reach out. I'm just as bored as you. I'd love to talk to you. So, with that said, I'm going to shut the video down, make it a nice short 5-minute video, and I will see you on Tuesday at 1 o'clock for our virtual meeting. Take care. Have a good weekend.